Hey guys, this is Ashkan, Afshari, Azad, and today we are gonna explain you what is parallel compression. As you can see, this is original waveform, and at there we got enhance the attacks of the sound, and the second example is we enhance the sustain of the original waveform. So let's see how is going on in the real DW environment. So this is our waveform sample. I have choose a PC. As you can see, this is a drum sounding and streams on, and I'm gonna show you how this process on this sound. So I send this to mixer number 5, and I load the patcher, and on patcher, as you can see, I load 2 limiter. Okay, as you can see, so let me make it as default. So first limiter is on series, and this is only for monitoring at because we wanna see how is streaming and what's going on, and shape is what shape is become after multiplying. So the second one that I've selected is let me default it, and the second one is, as you can see, I join it as parallel, and let me zero the engaging, and we are processing the sound on this limiter, on this compressor. So let me show you the first example of parallel enhancing attacks. So as you can see, I just want the attacks of the sounds, how I can reach this goal. So less threshold, too much attack, less release, and a little look ahead for attack, and too much main ratio, and gaining for compensating the gain we have reduced before on compression. And as you can see, we just have the attacks of sounds. Not bad. Okay, so let's monitoring what how does it feel. Engaging, as you can see, sound attacks are increased. Non-engaging, as you can see, this is original sounding. Engaging, not engaging. So we have increased all attacks. Let me show you the second example, enhancing the sustains. So we do it too much compression, but we set the threshold much upper than before, and zero attack, more release, and too much main ratio, gaining. As you can see, the attack is gone here, but sustains are more sensible. So this is our process And let me, okay, now we are testing and monitoring how does it feel when it's engaged. It's more sensible. Now you can hear how does it really feel. This is enhancing of sustains in parallel compression. So, guys, non-engaging, engaging. Okay, guys, it was the parallel compression, and see you soon.